Chapter 10. Useful Animals. We see different kinds of animals around us. Animals such as cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, hens, and ducks are farm animals. Dogs and cats are pet animals. Farm animals and pet animals are called domestic animals. Domestic animals are very useful to us. They give us many things. They also help us in many other ways. Animals give us food. Cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. We make curd, butter, and cheese from milk. People in the deserts also drink milk of camels. Hens, ducks, and geese give us eggs. Some people eat the meat of goat, chicken, and fish. Some animals give us milk. Some birds give us eggs. Teacher's tip. Teacher can divide the class into groups of 6. Bring some sheets of chart paper and give a sheet to each group. Ask each child to bring a picture of a domestic animal. Let them paste it in the chart. Ask them to write about the usefulness of that animal below the picture. Animals give us other useful things. Sheep gives us wool. Wool is used to make woolen clothes. We get silk from silkworms. Silk is used to make shirts, saris, and scarves. We get honey and wax from bees. Honey is a good food. Wax is used to make candles and polish. We get leather from animals. Leather is used to make shoes, bags, belts, and purses. Leather is made from the skins of dead animals like buffaloes, camels, snakes, and crocodiles. Fact 5. Tiny ants work hard to build big anthills. Huge colony of ants live in an anthill that has several rooms. We keep cats, dogs, fish, and parrots as pets. Pets give us fun and safety. A cat catches mice and rats. A dog guards our house. Fish look nice in an aquarium. A parrot tries to imitate us. Animals help us in other ways. Some animals carry us or carry goods for us. These animals are called beasts of burden. Camel. A camel pulls a cart. Horse. A horse pulls a tonga. Elephant. An elephant carries logs. Bullocks. Bullocks carry loads. Caring for animals. Animals need our care and love. We should not be cruel to them. We should give them good food, clean water, and safe shelter. We should take special care of sick animals. We should take them to a veterinary doctor. A veterinary doctor treats animals. Animals are our friends. We should be kind to them. In a nutshell, animals give us milk, eggs, and meat. Animals give us wool, silk, and honey. Animals give us leather. Animals carry not only us but also our things. We should take proper care of animals.